Hello guys, today I'll show you how to send Bitcoin from Crypto.com to Coinbase. Firstly, open Crypto.com and select Transfer, then Withdrawal, then Crypto. Click on External Wallet and select the plus sign. Tap on Wallet Address and select the cryptocurrency that you are transferring to Coinbase. Pass the recipient address that you created and copied in Coinbase, then tap Continue. Now go to the email to confirm the wallet that you just created on Crypto.com in the preceding steps. Go back to Crypto.com and again select Transfer, Withdraw. Select a new wallet and enter the amount of crypto that you'd like to transfer from Crypto.com to Coinbase. Select Withdraw, then Confirm. After completing these steps, you will be able to view the transaction on the Explorer by tapping View Status on Explorer. You can then also refresh your wallet simply by pulling down the home screen and verifying if the funds have arrived from Crypto.com to Coinbase. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.